Hi guys, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram app. Today we will show you how to add the link to your Instagram story. So let's go to the Safari application or another browser to copy the needful link. I will do this using the Safari app as I said before, and I just need to copy my needful link. Sorry, I know that this is our needful link and I just need to click on it sometime and choose the copy option here. I copied it before, so right now when I have the needful link copied, I need to go to the Instagram application. We are on our home page, so let's, as usual we need to swipe our homepage to the left side to go to the new story, Instagram story creation, and to add some cool background I need to go to my gallery app. After tapping on this special icon on the bottom panel of the screen, I will choose my cats. So right now we need to add this link after tapping on the stickers section here, which is the third one on the top bar. Later, let's pick on the link option. We can find it on the list. If you don't have it, you can also choose the search bar and you can set the link option here. Yes, we have the needful icon. As you can see, this shortcut looks like this one. So tap on it one time and later on the period bar you need to set the needful link here. Tap on the done option. And voila, we have the smoothly and successfully added link. After tapping on it, we can choose also the style of our created link. We can also manage the size and rotation of it, choosing the needful orientation. So, and also we can locate it and save on the needful place. I will do this, I will add this link in this way, and after tapping on the send to feature, we can choose the on your story or close friends option to post our newly created Instagram story. Later let's tap on the share and done to save changes. Wait a minute before checking the result, and don't forget to refresh your page. Later let's tap on your account icon, and well done! Successfully and smoothly everything was added. We have our link. Let's check if it works. After tapping on the link one time, we have a special option to visit a website. Let's tap on it. And after picking, we have our needful website. This is our website, guys. This is our app, HardReset.Info, where we can, which you can successfully and smoothly use after going and following the link added to the Instagram story. From now on, guys, I hope that you know how to successfully manage this option to add some links using the stickers section on your Insta stories edition mode. Guys, don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to find out even more cool tricks on Instagram and other apps. Bye bye!